guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Princess. So today I'm gonna show you how to make Nigerian puff puff. Let's go. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on this video. Thank you. So guys, this is my flour, this is my egg, here I have my chili, and here I have my sugar. And I have my instant yeast. So first I'm going to put my instant yeast, 1 spoon of instant yeast there. This one you don't need to soak it, just put it directly. And after that I'm going to have my sugar. And you mix together. You see, my hand is not touching anything. I've already put my instant yeast, I put my sugar, and I mix together. So if you have nutmeg, you can put nutmeg. I don't have nutmeg. It's not compulsory. You can put nutmeg there. So I want to put my chili. Sometimes I like when my puff puff is pepperish, so it's not compulsory. You see, my hand is not touching anything. I'm just using my kitchen tools. And after that I like to put egg also in my puff puff. It makes it more fluffy. It's not compulsory, but I just like it and I want my puff puff to be more nutritious, so I like to put eggs. So after putting eggs, you mix together, and I have warm water beside me, not hot, warm, lukewarm water. I have it beside me. So after mixing together, so guys, the next thing I'm gonna put is my warm water. You add gradually. Mix it. Guys, we're making Nigerian puff puff. So guys, I'm making Nigerian puff puff. I have my flour. I had instant yeast. I put sugar. I put a little bit of chili. Half spoon of chili. It's not compulsory. If you have nutmeg also you can put. So guys, I'm done mixing, so I'm gonna cover it with foil paper. And you can cover, and also with a napkin, and you're going to put it in a warm place, not in hot place. So me, I'm going to make use of my oven because my oven is always warm. I'll put it there, so it's going to be there for 45 minutes. Right now, straight to my oven. So guys, it's 45 minutes already. I brought that from the oven and the flour is raising. Yeah, it's raising. So it's time to fry. Wow, can you see that small quantity we did? See how large and plenty. That's really raising. So it's time to fry my heart. So guys, this is my oil. It's already on fire. It's hot already. So I would like to use my hand. Yeah, I've already washed my hand and I still have some water here. I prefer to use my hand here, or you can use the scoop spoon. Some people prefer to use spoon, they just don't want to touch it at all. For me, I just prefer to use my hand. I'm also going to use one of my spoon also. So actually this is just for the beginners. I'm not yet a pro. So just to prepare something for lunch or breakfast, just take it with tea or with a cold drink and you're gonna enjoy it. I think I prefer using the spoon because it's going to give it some round shape. Using hand is just going to, the shape is going to be irregular. So you see, it's standing by itself. So just like this, your popcorn is ready.